Annem buranın içine girmek istiyormuş.
Okay guys, so now we can come a bit closer so we can start a little bit with the history of the theater. Okay, so history of Teatro Massimo begins in 1864. The mayor of Palermo, Antonio Starrabba, announced a competition for the construction of an opera house. Between the 35 architects, both Italians and foreigners, the winner will be Giovanni Battista Basile. We have the bust of Basile behind you, and here in front of you we have the original maquette of the opera house. Guys, architect Basile was an architect from Palermo. Construction works last more than 30 years, so Teatro Massimo was only opened in 1897 with the Falstaff by Giuseppe Verdi, and became the biggest opera house in Italy and the third biggest theater in Europe, after the Opera House Staatsoper in Vienna, and of course after the Opera Garnier in Paris. The style of the theater is neoclassical, but starting from the next hall, the Hall of Mirrors, we will also see Liberty decorations. Liberty style is like similar to the Art Nouveau in France. It's a style that was introduced here in Palermo by Ernesto Basile, the son of the architect, the one who continued the work of the father. So we will see like lots of floral decorations, appliques in mural glass, this kind of style here. Just out of curiosity guys, so the concert hall of the theater is just the area under the dome. This part here is the stage with the backstage area, which is like the dome of the concert hall. Almost 50 meters of thickness, again because Teatro Massimo is one of the biggest theaters in Europe. Before moving to the concert hall, I also wanted to show you the bas relief of the first king of Italy, that's King Vittorio Emanuele. In honor of the monarchy, the full name of the theater is Teatro Massimo Vittorio Emanuele. Massimo, of course, comes from the Latin and literally means the biggest for the huge construction. Okay, so now we can stay here in the foyer 1 minute and take some pictures, and then we continue to the next hall. Thank you so much. like in 10 days. Of course, guys, it takes so much time to have the practice because they have to set the stage. We have also an orchestra, permanent ballet company. So it takes time before the opening happens, like almost 1 week or more. Aida is one of the most important shows of lyrical opera and is missing here in Teatro Massimo for many years. So there is Buongiorno, prego. You have to leave? Ah, ok, ok. Ci ho messo, scusate. Okay, guys, now please be careful. 2 monasteries and 1 church were destroyed to make room for the theater. A legend says that even the tomb of a nun was violated. Today, the ghost of the nun makes people fall down the stairs. Be careful and good luck. Thank
Bir tane hayalet var. Orada ben olsam ben de hayalet olayım.
O bölümdeki hayalet.
Now we wait 1 second here. Okay, guys, so of course we have a big group today. So it's better if we split in 2 halves. So the first 12 people, we can start taking pictures, we can go to the royal box, and I will start. Prego, prego, I will start.